In this video, I will show you how to improve your chances of getting the Instagram algorithm to push your post. First, launch open the Instagram app, log into your account, then head over to your profile, and then tap on the plus icon at the top of your screen. Now from here, you can select the post or reel option. You can either record a video or you can simply select one from your gallery. When posting, always remember to post high-quality photos, videos, or reels consistently. Regular posting helps your audience engage. Now, before posting on the final screen, make sure to use relevant hashtags and write captions that encourage like, comment, share, and saves as the interaction help increase your reach. After making your post, always share it in your story. To do that, on your profile, open the post. Now tap on the share icon, then tap on the add to story option. Now you can add some stickers over here. Instagram already has a built-in stickers such as new post, new video, so go ahead and select whichever you prefer. Then add this to your story. Now, if you have professional account, you want to check the insights to see when your followers are most active and post during that time. So for that, go to View Insights and here tap on Engagement, and you want to see all the details over here and only post during the time your audience is most active. Also, make sure your content follows Instagram's community guidelines and keep the app updated through Play Store. Keep in mind that there is no guaranteed way to make algorithm promote your post, but consistently creating engaging content gives you the best chance of reaching more people. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.